this video, we're going to be talking about how to add music on Facebook profile. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, simply go ahead and open your Facebook application just like that. Once you do that, simply go ahead and tap on your profile picture on the bottom right of your screen to head to your profile just like that. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on the plus icon at the top right of the screen in order to go ahead and open your library and tap on a song to go ahead and select it. So let me just go ahead and do this for you. So if you scroll down, click on music, and as you can see, you can choose any song that you want, tap on that, and then simply go ahead and click on save, and that is it. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and if you have any more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.